We're making chocolate mousse.
Oh, for Pete's sakes, Emily. No, we're making,
You said we're making chocolate mousse.
No, it's cooking from the back of a package,
Wow.
Knox
I don't know what that is.
Chocolate Whirl. So what am I doing, Em? Here's your instructions. Focus.
I'm filming it.
Oh. Oh, you're filming this
Because
package?
I'm not facing the right way doesn't mean the camera's not facing the right way.
Okay. Emily, you have to read the instructions. I don't know what to do.
Sprinkle milk over
For how long?
Allow to stand until gelatin is moistened.
Is moistened?
Yeah,
Okay. What's next?
that looks moist.
Well, yeah, but what do I do after this?
Add boiling water. Is the water boiled?
You wait patiently?
I guess.
You can yell at the water, right? You yell at a boiling pot of water, if you yell at it, it'll boil faster.
You yell
Boil! Look at, see, now it's going right. Told ya.
it. Wow.
Is that why you yell when you're merging so that it works?
Uh-huh. People think I'm crazy.
You are crazy.
I'm not crazy.
You were just like
It's like-
yelling.
well, I like yelling. But the water's starting to boil. So I yelled boil. Try it.
No,
Are you afraid? Don't be afraid, Emily.
I'm not afraid to yell at a pot of water.
You're afraid to yell at a pot of water?
No, just don't want to.
Look, done. That's how I roll. Okay, after the water's boiling, what do I do, huh?
Add boiling water. Stir constantly until gelatin is completely dissolved.
In my little bowl?
I guess. Let's see to add anywhere else.
Are you getting all this?
Riveting.
Okay, what's next? It's all dissolved now.
Set aside and then combine sugar and cocoa in a mixer bowl.
Combine what?
Combine sugar and
Cocoa?
yeah, and add the remaining milk.
And into the remaining milk?
Add the remaining milk.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it this way.
Vanilla, whipping cream, and liquor?
Liqueur?
Yeah.
Do I have to add the vanilla now?
Yeah.
How much vanilla?
2 teaspoons.
Ah, where's my teaspoon thing? 2 teaspoons?
It says teaspoons. 10 milliliters.
1. And how much liqueur does it say?
I don't even know what a liqueur is.
Orange liqueur. This is orange liqueur. Triple sec, so it's an orange. See the orange on it?
Wow.
Just blow your mind?
No.
Oh. Quickly.
I don't know where it is.
Right here, orange liqueur, 1 tablespoon. Or was it tablespoon or teaspoon?
Table?
Is
Table.
there a TB in there?
Yeah.
So 1 tablespoon? Then what do I do?
Beat at medium speed until soft. Until soft peaks form.
I don't have an electric mixer, so I'm going to try this.
That's what I thought you were going to use.
Oh. Did you? Is that what you thought, Emily?
Yes. A mixer thingy.
Oh, jeez. Emily, don't film the farting pigs.
Did you lose your beer?
Did I bring it in there?
I think so.
Oh, okay. Emily, what are you doing?
Filming you.
What's next?
Add gelatin mixture and beat at high speed until stiff peaks form.
Okay. Over here. I changed to a big bowl and used a whisk.
Wow.
Did you say wow?
Spoon into serving dishes and chill until set.
Oh. Wait, Emily, are those your finger marks?
One of them is.
I think both of them are.
Mm-hmm. I'm pretty sure like 30 seconds ago I watched you eat it.
Nope.
Sure.
That is impossible.
As you've been eating it throughout this entire
Impossible. Are you ready,
Yep.
Shaved white chocolate?
Wow.
Mousse. Hold on, Em.
2 of 3.
Another mousse. What's this? Knox? Emily, hold on. Oh, jeez.
That's French.
Huh? Are you filming the French?
You put it down like that.
Okay.
Whipped cream.
Gotta have whipped cream on there, huh?
Yep.
Excuse me, excuse me.
I'm gonna do some editing.
Alright.
Some riveting stuff here.
It is. Look at this, Emily. Don't be a smartass. You little. You don't get one, Em. There we go, Em.
Looks good.
Does look good, eh? Knox. What do you make? Knox chocolate mousse.
I'm pretty sure I cut you off, like, right when you started talking.
So look, we bought Hershey's like cocoa powder. But look on the side of this.
Not
There's a
Hershey's.
recipe. So next week we're gonna make.
Hershey's chocolate?
No, we're gonna make gooey, chunky chocolate brownies.
Huh.
Right there. It's on the side of the container.
Cool.
All right, that's next.